Hey, what's up guys? So we're just outside of San Pedro Sula, Honduras, and we're at a famous waterfall here called Pulhapanzak.
The property here is very well maintained with a number of great facilities. They also have a ton of activities you can do here with the entire family.
So this place is really cool. They've actually got cabins as well, so you can actually sleep here right alongside the river. So my buddy Dieter and I are going to be zip lining right in front of the waterfall over the river. So we're getting our harnesses and gear right now.
The Pulhapanzak waterfall is the largest in Honduras, dropping about 140 feet. We'll begin our trip into the waterfall by zip lining over it first.
So now we're basically zigzagging back and forth right over the waterfall and slowly kind of away from the waterfall. So it gives you an awesome view looking backwards at the waterfall. All right, here we go. All right, so now our guide Antonio is taking us down to walk into the waterfall. So we just did the zip lining above, and now we're going to see what the water looks like from below. Under the waterfall, a little cave at the side of the waterfall.